Have you ever bored a hole and then wish you'd use a larger bit? Or you want to make an already existing hole larger? This can be tricky, but it can be done. First, you have to find the center of the hole so the new hole can be bored directly over it. The easiest way to do this is to find a Forstner bit that fits the existing hole. Put some tape over the hole and insert the Forstner bit from the other side using the spur in the center to pierce the tape. Now you know exactly where to put the new Forstner bit spur to bore your larger hole dead center over the smaller one. Begin the cut slowly so the guide rim can take hold without the bit walking across the surface. This is another reason I like wavy rim bits. They engage the wood more cleanly than the sawtooth rims. Of course, this will be a lot easier with a drill press that you can clamp your workpiece to, but that's not always possible. So what do you do if you have to work with a handheld drill? Bore a hole through a scrap of wood with the larger bit, then center the scrap over the smaller hole in your workpiece by aligning the tip of the larger Forstner bit with the hole in the tape. Clamp your workpiece down and it will guide your bit right into the wood without drifting. If it's not practical to clamp the scrap to your workpiece, you can use double-sided tape, hot melt glue, or even screws if it'll be in the underside where it won't be seen. For the last several years, I've been replacing my cheap drill and Forstner bits with quality bits from Fish Tools. They're a family-run company that still forges their bits the old-fashioned way. Try replacing your most used bits with Fish bits using the links in the notes below this video, and you'll see why I love them so much. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.